So, hello business owners. Do you want to promote your business like big company does on WhatsApp? In the similar manner, you want to send promotional message with an attractive image to bulk contacts like this that will help you to grow your business to the next level. Then in this video, I will show you this trick that is going to help your business to grow. So, without wasting any more of our time, I am going to show the trick directly and let's discuss about the benefits of this trick as well. So stay tuned till the end of this video and learn how you can send bulk WhatsApp messages without getting your WhatsApp business account number banned from Meta's end. So now, to send bulk WhatsApp messages, you need a reliable WhatsApp management tool. And I have this most amazing tool that I want to share with all of you guys. That is Pabbly Chatflow. Open a new tab and search for www.pabbly.com/chatflow and you will come to their landing page just like this. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, if you want to test out what is Pabbly Chatflows and the other features, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free credits. Using the credits, you can easily test out the features of Pabbly Chatflow for free. Now and then, if you want to purchase Pabbly Chatflow's yearly or one-time plans to automate your WhatsApp business other conversations as well, you can use my code to get most highest discounts possible. The code is on the left side of my screen and the code is going to get you most discounts for the limited time only. So go ahead, use the code, purchase the plans and automate your business workflows. Now I have already logged in inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and now to send bulk messages on WhatsApp to the customers, first you have to create the template for that particular message inside Pabbly Chatflow. I have created this template for my skincare brand. Now, if you want to learn how you can design the perfect WhatsApp messaging template to promote your business, check out this video link added in the description section below. I've already taught you how you can design the perfect WhatsApp template for your business. Okay, so this is a template I've designed for my natural glow skincare business, and I have created in my template an image as an header to attach a perfect attractive image with that. Okay, so I've created the template and it's approved from the Meta's end. After this template is created, to send it to bulk people, we have this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow known as broadcast. Come to the broadcast page, click on this add broadcast button. First select the broadcast type, for which I'll select it as broadcast campaign. Next, name your broadcast. For the name of my broadcast over here, I'll write it as natural glow skincare sale message. Okay, so this is the broadcast name I have. Next is contact list. So inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can save the contacts of your leads, customers or clients, and then to segregate and segment the different types of contacts and the categories that you have, you can create different contact lists. So I have created these lists inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want, you can select all the list accordingly, but if you want to select a particular list and send the message to that particular segment of the contact that you have inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can select one list only, and that's what I'm doing. If you want that, if you're selecting all the lists from your Pabbly Chatflow, if you want to exclude any specific list, you can select the list or the specific contact also from the drop down under refined audience. Now next, we have to either select the pre-approved template or create the regular message right now. You can select the template type, header type accordingly, enter the message and then send the message. But I will select the option of pre-approved template message, okay? And then select the template that I've created. Now for the image, we have to upload the image in this section only. So I will upload the image from here. This is the image, I'll insert it, okay? So this is the image I've generated through ChatGPT. After that, I'm going to click on the done button, and this is the image with the message right here. Now we are sending this messages to thousands of customers to promote our business. So first we should check how the message is looking like on my number only. So we should test this broadcast, and you can do it from this section. So my name is test user. I'm going to enter my phone number right over here and check whether the broadcast message is successfully forwarding to me in the correct format or not. As soon as I'm going to click on the send test message, the test broadcast is going to run and I will receive another message on my WhatsApp. You can see right over here. So this is how the message is going to look like, okay, on WhatsApp. as I've received the message correctly. Now, if I'm going to go back, now I have another option of either I can schedule this broadcast or send this broadcast instantly. Okay, so I am going to schedule this broadcast for later instead of sending the message instantly. So we can select the date and time right here. So I want to schedule this broadcast for the date 20th of August 2026 and for the time at 12 p.m. So at 12 p.m. on 20th of August 2026, this broadcast is going to run and send bulk messages to all my contacts that I have selected. Now after that, automatic retry to fail contact. If you want that, you can toggle the button on and enter the details accordingly, and then simply I will add the broadcast from here. As soon as now I've added the broadcast, you can see right over here the new broadcast is going to create inside my Pabbly Chatflow account in the name of Natural Glow Skincare Sale. With that, this broadcast is scheduled on 20th of August 2026 at 12 p.m. Now on the particular date and time, the messages to bulk contacts is going to be forwarded, and this is how you can promote your business on WhatsApp itself. So if you have any questions or doubts related to the setup that we have discussed right now, comment down all the questions below and I will reply to all your queries. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.